Well, guys, with a new car and haven't seen it. Obviously, I have seen it now, but I haven't checked around it. It arrived when it was away. It should be an easy fix, but as you'll see here now, it came. It isn't exactly as the advert showed. So as you can see, there's all these wee circles on the paintwork. The headlights cracked. I knew about the headlight and I knew about the wing, so I need to get them ordered up to get them fixed. But you know, like they've marked the bumper, it's missing the headlight washer jet. They've marked all around here for scratches and chips. Back door's scratched. Although to be fair, I think most of that will probably buff out. So I don't know if this is maybe an insurance thing where they just want to write a car off. This is a cat end. A few light scratches on the back bumper, it says, yeah, but that's obviously from lifting stuff in and out. I'd imagine they'll all polish it. So I think overall it needs a good clean, really, to get a proper look at it. There's a bit of curb in this front wheel. It'll need fixed. But mostly cosmetic. I suppose we'll go around here and see, does the damn thing start, because we need to go around here and see if the thing starts now, because obviously it was meant to be starting, driving, no issues inside. Time will tell. Well, it's unlocked. That's a good sign. It's a wee bit on the dirty side. So definitely needs a good volley. A bit of rubbish. Oh, here. There we've probably saved 60 quid, maybe 30 quid. That's the washer jet. Bit that's missing from the bumper. Car's stinking inside. So what have we got? Just under 88,000 miles. I think whoever owned it had a dog. It smells like dog.
You like dogs?
I was going to say something there, but I don't want to get slapped. Well, turn on. Fingers crossed.
I want to know what you were going to say. So I can say.
Oh, there we go. Happy days. First go. Needs fuel. Turn that down.
Smells.
So it definitely stinks. There's a warning light on the dash, but that's fuel and washer jet fluid. Let's see, head unit. Okay, well the head unit isn't working, so if anybody has any ideas about that, this was meant to be working. Fuck, I don't want to have to replace that. That could be a few £100. I'll obviously have to put the machine on it and see what codes it throws up. Let's see, do the windows work? Wrong window. I'll just move it forward back here to see. Well, it is going into gear and it is driving forwards and backwards. There's a slight rub off the brakes, but I think that's when they're. It's obviously left for a while, they're rusted badly, but that should wear off when it drives and hopefully they free up. If not, we need to replace the brakes. Let's check the boot. Yeah, it's definitely been a dog owner, not the dog hair. Stinking. So I think before we do any work on this car, I think we'll just get it a good clean. Let's see what's under the plastic they've put in. Yeah, there's sand in there, so it's maybe somebody the dog brought it to the beach. Spare wheels are looks good, feels good and hard, so not a bad wee car to be honest. Other than it needs a good clean. This is if my memory serves me right, a 2017, is that a 17 plate maybe? Or an 18 plate. That's English reds, I don't really know much about that shit. But I think it's late 17 Volkswagen Golf GTD, 6-speed manual, so definitely be a desirable wee family hot hatch for somebody, and economical. But I suppose that's it so far for that. I'll need to get the wing ordered up, see where I can get that. Maybe see if I can fix the headlight. I'm not too sure. The lens is broke, but I'll know better when I take the wing off if the headlight is damaged behind it. It looks like it's just the lens. So, I don't know. Is the lens easy to remove or is it going to be a ball ache? I'll be safer just replacing it. Obviously, there's a big difference in cost. But I'll say first we get it washed rather than deal with the smell and the dirt on it and the hair. I don't want covered in pet hair, no harm to anyone. Like who loves the wee. My beard's not that bad. Like what the fuck. It's full of protein when you eat it. What else do I need to do? Yeah, I suppose just get it cleaned. At least if I get it cleaned, I'll be able to have a good idea about all these where it says light scratches and stuff. So I'll see who's free for detailing and let them do a good valet, good deep clean on it, and good polish, and see how the paintwork comes up. So that's it for now. M140 is still in with the body shop. It's being sprayed. So while they're working on that and fixing the wheels, refurbing the wheels, I will get this organised, get it cleaned, and I suppose see where I can get a new wing from. Follow along, give me a like and subscribe. It helps me out, as you know, keeps me motivated, even though I do actually enjoy doing this. I would love to get into it full time, rather than working day shifts and night shifts and 70-hour weeks in the motorway. But I have to do these things to earn a living. So, until next time, watch the other videos. So, until next time, folks.